Well, hi everyone, this is my review of these fantastic storage bags, tool pouches, organisation system. Call them what you like. These are really good. They are made by GoBags, and this particular set of 4 pouches is called the Air version, and they're clear, you can see what's inside, but they're also quite spacious. I want to tell you some of the features of them and some of the ways that I've been using them, but I'm sure you can come up with a few ways for yourself. So first of all, they are tough. This is not just a thin plastic or like a pencil case that you will get. This is really good and it's made really well. There's a good strong zip there at the top. I think that is really solid. It's well sewn on. That is going to last you a long time. That's one of the faults of the cheaper brands, so that is great. They've also got a little holder here. It's a carabiner that you can hook on to the bag itself, but you could hang that up onto the wall, so if you wanted to have the bags all hanging up, you can see instantly what's in them, or you can take the carabiner off. You could actually hang the pouch onto your belt if you were moving around a lot. And that's basically that. Now, what I'm using them for? Well, first up, with my modelling work, they are great as a tool pouch, and you could actually get some quite big tools in there. You could put a hammer or a big screwdriver, and because it's nice and tough, reinforced plastic there, it's not going to pop its way through. I do my hobby work in a couple of different spots around the house, so I move these things around a lot. So I've got my nippers and my sander and my scriber, etc. There's a ruler and a sharp knife in there, and so great for that sort of stuff. As some of you know, I also do some work at a museum of printing. I'm working with type, I'm working with big machines. So I also have another bag that goes with me once a week down to the museum where I do some work there. If you've got kids who are doing projects and you're traveling around or sending them off to somewhere else to look after them for a while, these are great. They can see they've got their artwork, the pencils, there are, felt pens, etc., all in the little bag. Now, my job is traveling around being an MC, so these two have been going with me for the last couple of months. One, I've got my little cables, adapters, etc. in there. Then I can keep power banks, USB sticks, etc. in one, so I instantly know where they are. So this set, you can get a few variations of the GoBags, but I like this one. It's been really useful for me, and I think it'll be really useful for you as well. Details down below.